For primary purpose or main idea questions, it's always a good idea for us to try to come up with our own answer first. The main idea is usually found at the beginning of the passage, at the end, or in its own thesis statement. With that in mind, let's move through this passage paragraph by paragraph. The first paragraph describes some of the problems with how college education is financed, while the second paragraph suggests a few solutions to this problem. The passage both begins and ends by recommending steps that the government could take to solve this problem. Take a look at the first sentence of the passage, which is highlighted here in the blue box. Here, the author introduces the idea that there is more action that could be taken. This action is described in the following paragraphs. With that idea in mind, we can guess that the author wants to recommend steps or solutions that the government could use to solve the problems in educational financing. When we look at our answer choices, choice A is the only one that matches our prediction. If we wanted, we could stop here. However, it's always a good idea to go through our answer choices anyway. Choice B might be tempting because the passage does suggest that the current policies are failing students. However, the key word here is prospective. The passage is not concerned about prospective students. It is more worried about current and already graduated students. So B is out. Choices C and D are actually contradicted in the passage. The author thinks a policy change would have a positive effect, which is why he or she is making the recommendations. The author also writes that the educational costs are decided by several different factors, not just college operations. So the two are not equivalent. That means that we can mark both of these answers out. We can also quickly mark off choice E, as it is never mentioned in the passage. That leaves us with choice A, which was our original answer and best matches our guess. The correct answer is choice A.